Okay, guys, sorry, it cut me off when I was working on PEMDAS a while ago. Okay, so PEMDAS means we're going to do the parentheses first, and then we're going to look for multiplication and division from left to right, and then once all multiplication and division is done, it'll be addition and subtraction. Okay, so, but you have to remember, inside the parentheses, if there's only multiplication or addition, you're going to do that first. If there's subtraction, you're going to do that first. Whatever is inside the parentheses will be done first. So like on this problem right here, 3 times 4 is in parentheses, so that's what you're going to do first. You're going to get that answer, and then you're going to add 2 to it to get the final answer. Okay, parentheses first. All right, C is just straight multiplication. Y'all are good with that. And then D says describe each model with a decimal number and then compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. So if you look, they told you that the first one was 5/10. So if you look, 5 columns are shaded. That's 5 out of 10 columns. Okay, so 5/10. You have to look here at this model, tell me how many is shaded, and come up with a decimal that matches it. And then compare 5/10 to whatever you get here to see which one is less than, which one is or greater than, or if they're equal. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Joaquin drew a rectangle with the dimensions shown below. What is the perimeter of the rectangle in centimeters? Okay, they're asking for the perimeter. So there's 2 ways to answer the perimeter. The equation way, or the not the equation, but the formula, sorry, is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Or you can say side plus side plus side plus side. That's an S. Plus side. There we go. Okay, but this is the way you should, this is how we do it in class. This is our formula. So look up here, and it tells us that this top line is 6.0 centimeters, or 6 centimeters. So if this is 6 centimeters, what's this going to be down here when it is a rectangle? Okay, you know that they have to be the same, correct? So that means if this is 2 1/10 centimeter, this has to be the same. Okay, and then you use this to find the formula, or to find the answer. Number 2, the table shows the amount of water and vinegar in solutions A and B. How many more fluid ounces of vinegar than water are in solution B? So here's our question. They want to know how many more. Okay, so we're just looking at solution B. So we're going to mark through solution A because we don't need that one. Okay, so solution B has 4 2/10 fluid ounces of water and 7 7/10 ounces of vinegar. And all they want to know is how many more fluid ounces of vinegar than water are in solution B. Okay, so how many more tells you you're going to do what? Okay, so you have to figure out, are you going to add or are you going to subtract? Think what more means. How many more? Okay, number 3. Sienna is exactly 5 feet, 2 inches tall. Circle the equation that can be used to find h, the height of Sienna in inches. So we're looking for the equation that tells us how tall Sienna is in inches. We know she is 5'2". So think about what we did with measurement. 5 feet, 2 inches. How many inches is she? Think about, are you going from a big to a small or a small to a big? Okay? If you're going from a big to a small, you're going to multiply. If you're going from a small to a big, you're going to divide. Okay? So you're going from 5 feet to inches. So think about how you solve this and then what you do with this number right here. That will help you figure out which equation is going to be the best option. Number 4, Ricky drinks 6 ounces of juice each day. What is the total number of ounces of juice he drinks in 10 weeks? Okay, so we want the total number of ounces he drinks in 10 weeks. We know he drinks 6 ounces each day. Okay, so we want to know Ricky drinks 6 ounces of juice each day. What's the total number of total number of ounces of juice he drinks in 10 weeks? So you have to think about 10 weeks. Okay, he drinks 6 ounces each day. How many days are in a week? And then how many days are in 10 weeks? So there's multiple ways to solve this. One way would be 10 times 7. And then this answer times 6. Okay? 10 times 7. Get your answer. That's how many days there are in 10 weeks. And then take that answer and multiply it times 6 ounces each day. There's another way to solve it. I'm not going to answer it for you. Okay? You can send me a message through Google Classroom, through Dojo. Tell me how you solved this problem. And I want you to put in words how you solved the problem. Tell me the steps. Okay? All right. Number 5. A farmer wanted to find out if there was a correlation between the size of a hen's cage and the number of eggs a hen laid each week. He provided a hen 4 square feet of cage the first week, 8 square feet the second, and 12 square feet the third, and so forth. Look at the scatter plot shown on the right. According to the data, what is the greatest number of eggs the hen can be expected to lay in 1 week? Okay, so according to the data, what is the greatest number of eggs a hen can be expected to lay in 1 week? So that's what we're going to look for. Okay, so we know he provided 4 square feet, and then the first week, 8 square feet the second, 12 the third, and then that continued from there. Okay, so 4 square feet, the hen only laid 1 egg. With 8 square feet, 3 eggs. 12 square feet, 4 eggs. And then with 16, 20, and 24 square feet, each time she only laid 5 eggs. So the question says, according to the data, what's the greatest number of eggs the hen could be expected to lay in 1 week? Okay, so again, a farmer wanted to find out if there was a correlation between the size of the hen's cage and the number of eggs each week. So the first week she only had 4 square feet, and then 8 square feet, 12 square feet, 16, 20, and 24. Okay? All right. When you're finished, remember, take a picture of this side, and you can send me a text with this page.